Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 14th of October. Woo! Someone born on the 14th of October. It is the 14th of March. I do not know where I was. I don't know where you are. Sagittarius, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Let's see what is up for you for today. Ghetto. Okay, let's go. Sagittarius. We have the Nine of Swords coming out first. I'm getting insomnia. You can't sleep. I'm hearing wetting the bed. Are you wetting the bed, Scorpio? I'm getting I'm getting something about this woman. Something about having nightmares about this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn woman. I'm getting you dreaming about her. Maybe you're worrying about her safety. This could be you. I'm getting something about wetting the bed. We have a Seven of Pentacles. Okay, so I'm getting you stole something from her, Sagittarius, and I'm getting it's haunting you in your dreams. Yeah, the Empress card. Did you steal something from her and give to your wife, or you steal it from her and you gave it to an older woman? I'm getting Sagittarius. There was an older woman with kids that you have. I'm getting you steal money from a younger woman without kids to give this older woman with kids. I'm getting it's literally haunting you now. I don't know if there was evidence left. Yeah, the Five of, yeah. I'm getting, no, okay. This is like you stole money to give a woman. I'm not sure what's happening with you and her, but she's going to tell the police what you did. That you stole money to give her. I'm also, I don't know, I'm getting you're scared that this woman find out about your wife. Wouldn't you be scared of your wife finding out about this woman, Sagittarius? I don't feel like that's how you're scared of this woman finding out about your wife. I'm getting right now you and your wife is having some issues. There's something about you asking her about the DNA test. I'm getting you and her is not getting along. I'm getting it's because you're worrying about another woman, Sagittarius. Yeah, I'm getting, is someone Jewish? Are you watching another woman online? Because that's a keeper. Getting something about what this woman do for work. Okay, I'm getting you admire what this woman. Sagittarius, I don't know if you're a committed person. I'm getting you really want to impress a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm getting you have an Empress over here. The Empress has kids, but I'm getting something about the kids fighting, you and the Empress fighting ever since you had kids. Something about the Empress is not a neglectful character, but I'm getting something about what the Empress is doing I don't like. Maybe she always on her phone and she have kids. I'm getting you always argue with her because she always on her phone. I'm getting the Queen of Pentacles. I don't know, I'm getting something about the Queen of Pentacles. I'm getting when the Empress is going through Seven of Swords, she freak out. I'm getting when the Queen of Pentacles is going through the Nine of Swords, like she will cry and put herself to sleep. I'm getting it like that. Yeah, the King of here. And if you're with an Empress, to be very honest, the Empress is not a counterpart. You can turn the Nine of Pentacles into a Queen of Pentacles. You can't turn an Empress into a Queen of Pentacles. And even if she's the most beautiful woman with kids and everything, there's something about appreciation. Because Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is acts of service, quality time, touch, them like touch and these things. The Empress isn't like that. She more want gratification about how she look and what she do. Also, if you're an immigrant and you marry a girl for status, or you marry a girl, I don't know how it goes, because you know relationships sometimes I guess it just don't last, right? That's how it goes sometimes, right? Great. She can't hold on for your passport. You hear? As a matter of fact, if you're an immigrant here, you see, if you did marry her outside the country, you would have your documents when you come into the country. Sagittarius, I don't know why I want to say this to you. You see, if you're even if you marry a girl or a man, them not supposed to tell you so them will keep your passport in a safe. You is a grown ass adult. Them can't take up. You can call police on them for that, you know. Them cannot hold on for your passport, even if you're an immigrant. Them do it with me. You know how much time them try to do it with me? Hold on for my passport. Me even hear people from African countries say that when them come in for asylum and refugee, them take with the passport. But I'm saying, what if these people want to go back home? Are you saying that they can never go back home? Because if you take with them passports and you bring them in the country and them at Peter Street trying to look for food and shelter, them can't even go back home if they wanted to. You take with them passport. I'm not sure why you do that. But also, even if you're one man, she can't hold on for your things. You know how much time them try to do that to me? Take with my passport and hold on for my passport. You cannot do that. That's a government property. If your embassy was really serious, any affairs will happen with you, as long as you're responsible for your passport, they were supposed to aid you. When me was here and going through my shit before, me depend on the Canadian government, me went to my own passport government. Those fuckers said that bitch read terror, fuck her. That's what they said, that's what they said, that's what they said. That dirty stinking Garfield cat. And him was a painter, one Jamaican man with the Jamaican Association in Quebec. Him was a painter too, and him, as soon as him see me with terror, him a talk about religious things. They were like, fuck that bitch, she read terror, we ain't helping that bitch. I reach out to them before me talk to the government of Canada. Them say them want to see flight documents, them want to see plane ticket, them want to know when me land. Why you want to know when me land? Me here. Like them want me for proof to them, say me Jamaican for ask them for help. But them was like, we ain't helping that bitch. Fuck that bitch. When them carry me up in the hills of Valleyfield, Salisbury, when them nearly blood clot kill me, right? The Jamaican government was like, fuck that bitch. You did what you did. You was a fucking a black man. Fuck that bitch. I said, okay, me I fuck a white man. Let me go to the government of Canada. Let me go to Trudeau, the Sagittarius. Me get blood clot help. I'm telling you, so even if you're a man, it no matter where you come from, African country, I don't know, Europe, she cannot hold on for your documents. She can't hold on for your ID, your health card. Even if alright, she want to hold on for the property of your own country, alright, fine. She can't hold on for your passport. That is a what you call diplomatic document. When Usain Bolt walk with his passport through airports, he is a Jamaican ambassador. What does that mean? Him not get searched. That mean him can take private plane and land in a one airport and go through blood clot customs. Him don't have to follow the rules of normal commoners. Him is a Jamaican ambassador. Anywhere you see him go with him passport, him not supposed to get searched. Unless there's questionable reasons for him as a Jamaican ambassador traveling and getting searched. Otherwise, him can take a helicopter from here and go to America and land and go through clearance. You don't have to fly commercial. Him don't have to fly Emirates either. If him have a pilot friend, him and him pilot friend can travel to another country and him get clearance. His passport is a diplomatic document. That carry weight. You talk about blood clot driver's license. Driver's license carrying a blood clot weight. You have to drive per road. The road what fucking Quebec can't fix. Quebec cannot fix the fucking roads yet. And you're telling me I can't get blood clot clearance because of driver's license. Because I can't operate machinery. Tesla, Chevrolet, motors, blood clot VW, Volkswagen. Because I can't operate, because I don't have a license or I can't operate a fucking Volkswagen. When you're the president, you're not even allowed to drive. A man drive for you and you have 2 CIA members at the back. And if you drive on property with CIA members right behind you. So we are talking about driver's license. You ain't need a fucking driver's license. You think you can travel upon driver's license, go Jamaica? You need a passport. You have to have a registered document for passport. If you're using driver's license to go on a plane, you're flying within your country. You don't fly within your country. If you have a passport and you don't have a driver's license, you can fly within your country. But passport means you have to pass the port of entry. The fuck you telling me driver's license I give you clearance? The fuck you need passports? When you see in both showing passport, that's a diplomatic. That it have a seal on it. It has a seal. When you see a passport, it have a seal on it. We can't wait for relinquish mine. I cannot wait for relinquish mine. Lord God, I never want to say it to the public, but I cannot wait. Those dirty fuckers never help me. I cannot wait to relinquish mine. I just wait. I'm waiting until I just study a little more and get the money for the test. I can't wait for relinquish. Oh, I can. The land of the maple leaf. I have to study the anthem, obviously. So again, even if you are one man, she can't hold up on your documents. You can call police on her. That's a blood clot. Anyways, I'm going to leave it here. Sagittarius. Oh, I have to draw these. My apologies. I did not mean to go off like that. But I'm passionate about my sons and daughters in the extraterrestrial body. We have sleep. Yeah. She had to say, oh, it's in the safe. The government said me must hold on on it. Really? Like how you hold on on him dick? No, you cannot do that. You can't hold on on somebody's passport. You're fucking crazy 3. They call police on our Ross. Like how me they have to call police on mine. Call police on them Ross. If them even rip a page out of your passport, that is not valid, you know. And she can get charged and arrested if she take your passport and rip one blood clot. If one page do this, shit. Police can do this, arrested. She can get arrested upon federal charge. She had tamper with passport. That's like, and a blood clot driver's license, where if you drive, oh my God. And to the officer's surprise, the client was sober. And a blood clot driver's license, where you, if you're driving, you're drunk, you think if you're drunk driver, you can lose passport. You lose your passport if you're drunk. There's no penalties to losing your passport. Unless you lose it. Driver's license, you drive drunk, drive without a seatbelt, speeding limit, and that's you use for send people off. That's why I use for claim price, for claim credibility, fucking driver's license, for operate blood clot car. Quebec's still working on roads, brody. Sleep and 3, she can't hold up on your documents. Call blood clot police on her. You afraid? The soul was sold. You can't hit her. Call police. Call the blood clot police. You cannot hit her for your things. You cannot overpower her for your things. She will call police and say you hit her. That's why. Or she will make up all type of problems. Call police and say she have my passport. People was calling police to tell the police that they have changed them PS6 game password. And the police take the guy's side. She cannot hold on upon federal official documents. Your blood clot mad. If she tamper with it or use the scissors and cut one page out of it, she there prison. Me not talk about jail and bail. Prison. That's worse than burning a flag. That's worse than burning the country's flag. You can't fuck with passport. You talk about driver's license. MK Ultra Illuminati. You have to learn how to use it against them. You can't hit her. It's against the law. And it's against your body weight for hit her. Call police and tell them she have to give you. She have to give you. She can't say no. Do it like how me that for them. Me freak the fuck out when them do it to me. Me scream and freak the fuck out because I was so hurt that the person who did it to me. Why you do it to me? You fucking sell me. Him sell me the fuck out. Him sell me out. You thief my blood clot passport. Even if me did give up hope and go home, I couldn't. I can't book a blood clot plane ticket. You take my passport. That's the worst thing. Driver's license, you can't forge that. Very hard to forge a passport, and if you do, you are in prison. You have to say a judge. You talk about you use blood clot driver's license for credibility. Fucking driver's license. But police can just take off points and it done. Suspension. Your identity suspend too. You have to use a passport. Thank you so much. Bye.